Munson Dunn, your cruise-only travel agency. We have some tips here, just a couple of quick tips to show you. We're packing for a cruise on the Eurodome in Alaska, leaving tomorrow morning. We swear by these packing cubes. You can get them at Amazon for about $20 for 5 of them. They come in different sizes. We pack pants in one. We pack tops in another. We pack underwear and socks in another. And bathing suits in another. And it leaves plenty of room for your shoes and toiletries in here. And we'll show you what we do with them once we get on the ship tomorrow morning. Also, I swear by this. I have this. This is actually a gift, and I love it. Just hang it on your bathroom door in the stateroom. You've got everything at your disposal. Have a great trip.
Okay, Doris showed you how to pack. I'm going to show you how to unpack. And what we found on the ocean view rooms in the Eurodam is that we don't have any drawers, or very few drawers. But we do have a closet where things fold down. And so here's how my bag ended up. I've got my shoes, I got extra drugs and pharmaceutical stuff, my socks, underwear, all this. So follow me over here and I'll show you how we do this. It's just this simple. Come over here, we just have shelves. So we just throw these in here with shelves.
Are you unzipping them so they're ready to go?
When I get to them, they'll be, we're all set.